Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: Windows 10 or 11, an account, and preferably a TPM chip for security. Once you're ready, open Settings, choose Accounts, then Sign In Options. Next, locate Windows Hello PIN and click Add or Setup. If prompted, authenticate with your password or Windows Hello biometric. This first step initializes a key pair tied to the device. That's why TPM improves security. Make sure device is up to date before proceeding. Now you'll create the PIN itself. You must enter a PIN that meets your device or organization's policy, typically at least 4 digits, but you should pick longer for security and include letters or symbols if the option exists. Enter the PIN, confirm it, and follow prompts to create the device-bound key. Once done, Windows stores that key in TPM or protected software, which lets you sign in quickly while keeping credentials separate from your online account. Finish by testing the PIN. Lock the screen or restart and sign in with the new code to confirm it works. If it fails, use the I forgot my PIN flow to reset with your password or Microsoft account. That reestablishes the pairing. If reset options are unavailable, make sure TPM is enabled in firmware and drivers are current, and check group policy or Intune settings that may block PIN creation. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing TPM requires backing up recovery keys first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.